how to connect your Hollyland Lark M2 wireless to this Yi Xiaomi 4K camera plus. Is it possible? Yes, it's possible. And hey, I have a little bonus for you at the end of the video. But yeah, let's check this out. And here are the things you're going to need. So in order to connect the camera, you're going to need this cable. This cable comes with the Lark. Okay, so it basically just connects here. Okay, there's nothing special about it. All right, so we're going to connect it here. But the one thing that's really hard to come by, and I haven't had any luck finding one of these, this is the cable that comes with the Yi camera. And this is specifically made to connect external microphones. This is very rare to find. I just happened when I bought mine, I got one with it. So thank God for that, because this is how we're going to connect the external mic. And hey, bonus, at the end, I'm going to show you exactly what it sounds like without the Lark and then with the Lark connected. So let's get to it. Let's connect the camera. So on the side of the Yi camera, we have USB-C. Now the only thing is you can't really mount this part, the receiver. There's no way to mount it, so maybe any DIY people, you might be able to figure that out. But so far I haven't been able to come up with a good solution. So for now, we're just kind of gonna hang it from the side and maybe tape it down to the tripod. But how do you connect it? So first we have this cable right here. We're gonna connect the cable right there. Okay, so now we're gonna have this part right here, and then we're going to connect the receiver. So here's the receiver. It's already on. You don't need any special drivers, and I already have it clipped on to right there. So I'm going to put the clip on here. It's already on. You can tell because it's blue. So now we're just going to connect it to the camera. The magnetic clip, by the way, is right here. So just do it like this, and then we're just magnetically, boom, connects like that. So that's what I like about it. And let's just connect the microphone receiver right now. Okay, so now it's on. Okay, it's blue. This is blue, and we're ready to begin our recording with the camera. Now, the one thing that you got to do with the camera is you want to access the menu, and you want to make sure that the external mic is turned on. So how do you do that? Well, let me demonstrate that for you right now. So we're going to go into this little cogwheel right here. Okay. And then you see the menu right there. We're going to go into the little cogwheel on the side right here. Okay. And we're just going to go up, which is a little touch screen. We're just going to go up until we find the microphone external. So right there, see, we just want to make sure that that's clicked off, but we want to make sure it's on. And then we're just going to exit out. Okay, and you can see by the icon right there, it's represented. It means that the Lark is connected. And let's record a little audio. And what I'm going to show you right now is you're going to see the actual video with the sound recording from the microphone. Let's do it. This is the actual sound of the Hollyland Lark M2. Audio check 1, 2, 3. I'm going to step back. Audio check 1, 2, 3. I'm about 8 feet away. Audio check 1, 2, 3. And I'm going to run back. Audio check 1, 2, 3. All right, let's listen to it without. Okay, we have now disconnected the microphone, and this is just the mics from the camera themselves. Audio check 1, 2, 3. I'm going to step back. Audio check 1, 2, 3. Okay, now I'm about 8 feet away. Audio check 1, 2, 3. I'm going to run back. Audio check 1, 2, 3. And these are just the mics from the camera themselves, and let's hear the difference.